Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials: power, cables, and network. Once done, restart the player for 5–10 seconds to clear transient faults. You should note the model and firmware version displayed. This matters because updates must match. Make sure to prepare a USB or SD card for logs and firmware files, and check any error codes on screen, write them down. You're acting now. The faster you capture current state, the easier the rest of the fix will be. You proceed to firmware and file tasks. Compare the installed firmware against the latest release and download the exact file for your model. Once done, export settings and playlists to a USB. This preserves your configuration. Make sure to copy diagnostic logs as well. They reveal root causes. If the player supports safe mode or recovery, use it to apply updates safely. Follow vendor instructions step by step, and do not interrupt power during flashing, because interrupted flashes cause brick states. You finish by validating playback. Reboot, then play several file types and a network stream to confirm resolution. If problems persist, perform a factory reset and make sure to restore your backed up settings afterwards so you don't lose custom playlists. Once restored, test again. If the issue continues, collect fresh logs, note exact error codes, and record steps you've taken. This speeds vendor support. Key troubleshooting tip: avoid repeated random changes. Instead,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.